Take a look at this beautiful website. It's all hand-coded with just HTML and CSS. It's professionally designed and it works beautifully even on mobile devices. Wouldn't it be super amazing if you knew exactly how to design and code any website just like this one? Well, that's where I come in. I am Jonas, a developer and designer from Portugal, and I'm gonna teach you HTML, CSS, and professional web design in this course, all by building the stunning website that you just saw from complete scratch. So the goal of this course is to take you step by step from a complete beginner all the way to building real-world websites, while using tools and technologies that professional developers use every single day. Now, in order to build real-world websites, you will learn real-world skills, starting with the basics of semantic HTML, modern CSS, and building layouts using tools like Flexbox and even CSS Grid. You will then learn easy-to-use design guidelines so that you become one of the few developers who can also design. And with these skills mastered, we move on to the Omnifoot project, where I will show you how to plan websites, how to use common design components and layout patterns, and how to find and use free design assets. We will also make our website work on mobile devices, optimize it for top performance, and even launch it to the internet. And to make sure that you become a confident and independent developer, we will follow industry best practices, write clean and organized code, and learn how to fix coding mistakes throughout the entire course. Now, once you sign up for the course, you get immediate access to over 35 hours of up-to-date videos, downloadable course slides, many coding challenges to practice, friendly and fast support, and of course, you can even keep the Omnifoot project for your portfolio to impress potential clients or employers. So this is truly a complete package to get you started with web design and web development. And don't just take my word for it. It's been proven by tens of thousands of happy students who made this the best-selling HTML and CSS course on Udemy. So no matter if you want to learn how to build amazing websites, or if you just want to pick up HTML and CSS to start your web development career, this course is for you. And so don't wait, join me in the course right now, and I see you inside.